Hello friends, welcome to RD Education. So today we are going to discuss about the first chapter of English composition of Nina and Martin. Okay, so the chapter is the sentence. So let us start. At first we have when we speak or write we use words. We generally use these words in groups as little Jack Horner sat in a corner. So here there are many words in these sentences. So here it is describing that little Jack Horner. Okay, so little Jack Horner is a person and he is sitting in a corner. So what is a sentence? A group of words which make a complete sense is called a sentence. So here we have the definition of a sentence. Okay, so let us come to the next one. The next one is kinds of sentences. So generally or mainly the sentences are of four kinds. So what are the four kinds of sentences? The four kinds of sentences are given below: assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, an imperative sentence, and an exclamatory sentence. Okay, so here first of all we have the sentence those which make statements or assertion. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Here it is a normal sentence. So the normal sentences can be the assertive sentences. It can either be negative or also affirmative. So those are called the assertive or declarative sentences. So second one we have those which ask questions. Where do you live? So here if we come to the second one, we can see that the sentences that ask a question is called an interrogative sentence. Okay, so here we can see easily that where do you live is a sentence which is expressing an sign of interrogation. So it is called an interrogative sentence. Okay, so next one, those which express commands, requests or entreaties. So what is the meaning of the word entreaties? The meaning of the word entreaties is requests. Okay, so request and entreaties is same. So the sentence is be quiet and have mercy upon us. So we can easily see that be quiet and mercy upon us, these are expressing some request and commands. Be quiet, so it is expressing a command thing that a teacher is saying to the students that be quiet, don't talk. Okay, so here be quiet is expressing a command. Next one is have mercy upon us. Have mercy upon us, here it is expressing a request or entreaties. Okay, so these two are same as I told before. So have mercy upon us is request. So what is a sentence having request called? A sentence expresses a command or an entreaty is called an imperative sentence. Okay, so here entreaty spelling is wrong, there will be a single T. Okay, so next one, those which expresses strong feelings. Those which expresses strong feelings, those are called that exclamatory sentences. So here it is also describing an exclamatory sentences. So first of all we have that how cold the night is. So we can easily see that it is expressing a strong feeling. Yes, so it is an exclamatory sentence. And what a shame. Okay, so it is also expressing a strong feeling. So next one, so at last we have this explanation of the four sentences. So at first we have a sentence that makes a statement or assertion is called a declarative or assertive sentence. A sentence that asks a question is called a interrogative sentence, and we all know that there will be a question mark at last. A sentence that expresses a command or an entreaty is called an imperative sentence. So here it can express command, entreaty, request. Okay, and also one more thing, that is advice. Next one, at last, a sentence that expresses strong feeling is called an exclamatory sentences, and there will be an exclamation mark too. Thank you. Go ahead and learn joyfully in this